We're very much aware of what's going on in the geopolitical environment, the threat actors that are out there, the concerns with the Russian-Ukrainian war. We provide that deterrence role, but most importantly provide safety and security to the countries that we are residing in right now as this multinational battle group here in Latvia. We have had a deep-seated history with the Latvians. We are on exercises with their Latvian armed forces very regularly as we enhance that overall NATO presence. It is such an honor to be here as part of this massive team, sharing those skills, reinforcing the strength of NATO, and reinforcing the overall presence that we have as part of NATO.
One will bound back when I cover.
Один переробить перебіжку, поки я крию.
So you're going to have 2 men at the front of the stretcher party. Lads, I want to see this at all times.
Хлопці, дівчата, я хочу, щоб ви це робили постійно.
Перевертаємо. Рієм! Крийте!
Ви сюди.
You cover out that way.
Також тут сторону.
Коридором! Куди? Назад! Назад!
Я хуй пролізу.
Давай, давай, давай!
Давайте спереду беріть!
Let's go 4 on the stretcher.
Четвірка, до нож!
Раз, два, третій, діло, ліве плече.
Давай!
Швидше, 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 швидше.
Давай, 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 давай!
Двоє. Нормально, нормально.
Let's go!
Вперед!
Тактичний банан.
Так що вам треба швидше зібратися.
Let's go, let's go!
Давайте швидше. Артилерією було підбито цей транспорт. Арта буде крити зараз ще раз.
Свої підходять, ідіть назад, траншею, далі.
Страждалого в траншею.
Okay, good.
The rest of you, listen for information.
Phillips, on you.
Голови, а також нога.
Бандаж, дай мені аптечку, аптечку дай.
Зараз він...
Yeah, there you go.
Але для першого разу було досить непогано.
Basically, everyone here been told yesterday how to deal with the casualty.
Сум вашого першого разу.
Okay, again, communication.
І знову ж таки, гладко, це є швидко.
Bruce? Yeah! Good.
Перевірити на якісь масивні інші кровотечі або на будь-які поранення. Про що зараз поговоримо? Ще раз нагадаємо, як накладати турн'язку.
We leave the tourniquet tight, put the bandage on, and then we can loosen it up. When do we do that? Now, can anyone from yesterday remember when you...
На спину. On his back, yeah?
Yeah.
Турнікети, як ми проходимося по марчу.
Anyone?
Тобто пов'язку ми накладаємо не занадто туго. Тобто кровообігу, і тепер ми можемо накласти пов'язку.
So any questions on that one?
Чи є якісь запитання?
Якщо поранили?
25% випадків.
So my demo man's just gonna...
So, good afternoon. My name is Mikola, and I'm here on Interflex, actually at Operation Interflex, trying to become a soldier. when I get deployed to the battlefield, I will know what to do. I won't panic, because during this exercise, I will gain the necessary, not only the necessary knowledge, but also the muscle memory to immediately be aware of what exactly should I do in a specific case whenever I end up on the battlefield.
So Interflex is very much a sort of plug and play training package, which anybody can do, and NATO partners have got a huge amount they can add and contribute. I find here that when I'm working with some of our partners from Estonia or New Zealand, they have methods of training which we can learn from, and it's really good to get different nations involved, and it makes all of us better. It's not just about training the Ukrainians, but it's also about making ourselves better instructors for future iterations of Interflex.
It's always nice to teach things you're passionate about as well, but then with the added, I suppose, weight of the importance that this particular operation carries. These people have come here and this is very new to them. They're going through a rigorous course, and then they will go back to Ukraine and defend their country, so I'm proud to be a part of it. Ukraine was illegally and barbarically invaded. They obviously have an inherent right to defend themselves, as any country should have when suffering an illegal invasion. I think it's important for us to send a message to Russia that NATO is unified and remains steadfast in its support for Ukraine as they bravely defend their country.